Hi, my name is Danielle Cook, and today I'm going to be talking about the difference between count nouns and mass nouns. To begin with, I am going to start with mass nouns. Mass nouns are words that have substances without boundaries. Some of the examples that the book gave were applesauce and gravel. These words cannot be pluralized or numerated, so you would not say two applesauces or two gravel. However, you do express the quantity with the word much. So something you would say is, we have too much gravel, or we have too much applesauce. These words also like to go naked, which means you can say something like, I like applesauce. You don't have to say, like, for example, for the count nouns, you would say something like, for example, apple, be like, I like apples, or I like gala apples, not I just like apple. So that leading into count nouns are words that are bounded by hunks of matter. And some of the examples that the book gave are this were apple and pebble. These words can be numerated or pluralized, meaning like two apples or two pebbles. And when you go to talk about the quantity, you talk about, you use the word many, not much. So we have many pebbles or many apples. Mass nouns refer to a substance, whereas count nouns refer to an object. And if we want to talk about how these affect human nature, there were a few different views, and the first view that we could talk about is the Gestalt shift. And one of the quotes from the book, it says, reality by itself does not determine whether we need to use a mass noun or a count noun. Our mind decides if it's an object or a substance. But then something that would actually be a better way of looking at it was the alternative view, which language has a mass and a count and distinctions between, and they have the distinction between our mind because the substance and the object distinction. Yeah, thanks.